Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I do a hot oil treatment on my color treated hair, basically damaged hair. Hot oil treatments are generally amazing for natural hair, but they're super awesome for color treated hair because they are bringing it back to health. So stay tuned. I hope you enjoy the video. These are my oils, the ones that I'm going to use today. I always use castor oil, tea tree oil, and avocado oil for my hot oil treatments, and then these three are just optional. I'm just adding grapeseed oil and avocado oil for their benefits. Going to mix everything in this applicator bottle for easier application. So let's get started. Castor oil improves scalp circulation, it helps grow hair, it moisturizes hair, and it prevents breakage and split ends. Tea tree oil has anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antifungal properties that keeps the scalp healthy and free of dandruff. Grapeseed oil promotes hair growth, nourishes the scalp, hydrates the hair shaft, and conditions hair. Avocado oil is packed with vitamin E, which repairs dry and damaged hair and promotes hair growth. Coconut oil adds softness and shine to the hair. It eliminates dandruff and provides protein. This is a blend of organic carrier oils formulated for the good health of your hair and scalp. I place the oil in a cup of boiling water for 5 minutes so that it can heat up. With a hot oil treatment, there's really no right or wrong way of doing it. You just do it as per your preferences. Actually, I believe with natural hair, that's how it is. Like, what I do is not the law or the rule or what works. You can alter it to suit you and your preferences and your lifestyle. Okay. Hopefully this treatment is gonna get it. So my hair is tangled. So I'm using my. It's easier to do this treatment in an applicator, but you can use it after washing your hair with either hot. So it works well with either wet or dry hair. It just depends on and work my way through to the scalp. The reason I'm starting with the ends is because most tangles are here, and this is the oldest piece of hair. In the oil into my hair. I'm not really like full detangling. I'm just hot oil treatment strengthens hair, so your cuticles will be sealed, and that makes your hair stronger and easier to work with. It protects against breakage by moisturizing and nourishing the hair strands. This makes them less prone to breakage. It restores shine and reduces hair fall. Massaging in the oils not only soothes the scalp, but it also improves blood circulation, hence it promotes hair growth. Ensure that you massage your scalp thoroughly. Besides blood circulation, this also spreads the hair's natural oils, and it increases vibrancy and luster of the hair, and it also replenishes and rejuvenates dry and damaged hair. I feel like when I say to people my hair is a mess, although I will have it maybe out or in a bun and it looks good, like this is what I mean. Look at this. This is a mess. And whenever I say, oh, my hair is a mess, people just laugh it off and like, no, it's not. This is literally what I mean when I say my hair is a mess. It would be in this kind of state. And another thing, guys, because I have low porosity hair, if you can just see how the oil is sitting on top of my hair, like you can notice. It means to have low porosity hair. So it's hard to get products in. That is why you have to have it warm, and you have to create a heat with and like all of that and stuff, because otherwise it just sits on top of your hair schedule and stuff. But sometimes life just gets the best of me and my hair takes a back seat. So this is great if you're like that, if you like me and you don't take good care of your hair. This will help you. For the needs that you have at that moment, because you choose your oils and you can use pretty much the reason why I like hot oil. And the magic of this, even with castor oil, it doesn't sit in my hair for long. I'm going to rinse it out. So that is why you can benefit from it, because you can't just use castor oil daily. So that's the beauty of like a dip oil treatment. And as you choose your oils, you cater for the need that your hair has at that moment. I'm gonna wear my plastic. So I'm putting a hat over the plastic to trap in heat. You can put a doek or whatever. This is or whichever way you choose to do it, but as long as heat is trapped in. And you can leave this for anything from like an hour to 12 hours, which is overnight. And I don't know how long I'm gonna leave it for, but yeah, use it for like days. You'll see when I'm done. When I come back, then I will tell you. So I still have some oil left over, which I'm going to my hot oil treatment overnight. Hot treatment. It will wait for my next hot oil treatment. I'll show you how it looks after. See, it's a bit hectic in here, and I just want to show you how the hair looks before I wash it. I don't know if you can see the difference from when I applied the oil yesterday, but now it's looking softer. It feels even softer. It's looking shinier, so I'm happy with that, and it's well detangled. So I'm just gonna go and I will rinse. This is how my hair is looking right now. The oil. So and then at this stage, I'm just gonna continue with my wash day, so I'll proceed and wash the hair. These are the results, how my hair looks. You can see it has added shine, it's bouncier, it's detangled, so my hair's happy. I'm just gonna finish my wash day. That's and how I'll see you guys in the next video. So that's how. So if you enjoyed the video or you found it helpful, please share it, or share it with somebody who might need it, who will find it helpful. Stay blessed and win today. Sip.